So first, I just want to apologize. It sounds like you guys weren't able to work on the last assignment at all, and I don't know. Well, I'm seeing you in the office hours, so I just thought I would do a quick overview video. I've posted this under numerous assignments, but I want to make sure you guys can get help when you need it. So these are my office hours, okay? 11 to 1. That's when I'm always on. I have like my laptop just open and I'm in Google Meet. So just in the classwork tab, I've rearranged it this week. You just go to office hours, click on the link, and you'll find me there. If you guys don't want to work with me during those hours, time doesn't work out. I've said this in the other videos that I've posted. You can always set aside a time. Probably going to change my office hours anyway, and open up another evening one. But even if it's outside office hours, yeah, you're gonna have questions. I'm doing the best I can to make the material digestible in small chunks, but just like in the class when I would work with you guys one on one, without that interaction, it's gonna be tough. So if you have time that you can make available, that's great. If you don't, I totally understand that, and I'll try and put out whatever supplemental instruction I can each week. So I wanted to show you that. I want to make sure that you understand that going forward, I've tried to make everything self-contained for each of these assignments. So, making sure that you guys have overview assignments, right? Like you have checklists and things. Next week, I promise won't be the same. We're mostly going to be doing review. Um, and so if you're curious about expectations, I'm keeping these things all over here in case you have any questions for me directly. Um, so hopefully that fills that up. Um, Periodic tables are all over here. You can probably search and find one online. What I really like about this one is that it's color coded. So keep in mind, and I'll talk about this, and I've always talked about this in the other videos. Keep in mind the columns tell us the valence electrons, right? Our nonmetals are all of these guys in this yellow and green boxes. These are our metalloids. Everything from here on over, these purple and blue, are our metals, right? And we're focused on these. These are our noble gases, right? They have 8 valence electrons. So remember, the group numbers tell us how many valence electrons they have. We're not worrying about transition metals right now, but you can always kind of assume they have 2. So for example, we can just count them out, right? 1 valence electron, 2 valence electrons, 3 valence electrons, 4 valence electrons, 5 valence electrons, 6 valence electrons, 7 valence electrons, 8 valence electrons. Here's our exceptions. We talked about this in class. Hydrogen, it has 1 valence electron, but it is not a metal. It's a nonmetal. That's why it's got this yellow color. Helium has 2 valence electrons, right? And we consider that also stable. It's either 2 if it's helium, otherwise it's going to be 8. All right. Um, it'd be great to work with you guys again, but I understand if it's just not working out. I'll just keep doing these for you as much as possible. So this is just the overview. I just really think it's important that you guys know where to find things. And, maybe I'll just make sure we do one of these every time.